ahodo a mede bre wone na yebehya no yenkasa kakra mfa the budget of yesterday, the middle year budget review ade ato forcing ekoye no parliament ato forcing ko parliament me can comment on my social media platform on Facebook say ato is in the parliament lying to people. Now, me can't say we me call back to search in for the comment here. It was here, and my sister, my brother. Me say the goodwill and now party way back about 2025 now or war. The goodwill anagana for what the my party way and this year by way. The goodwill now 2024 na wura Ghana for more na enam sumo pia. Everyone na omoye campaign de ma NDC e ma se bio MPP for credo ba bi kura Ghana man mo nam kura na omo san so esuro akire no ene sa good way ni nyina no I straight to my God ni nyina yira e wo system no amanfo ahya se hu the true color of the party called NDC because me papa video me bo e kire wo sesiai ana yura mahama kasa ya ye edi video bi atoso to say the confusion and see o cancer phone na keka niema boma who say cars no omo crash no it was a deliberately addicted to tell you the confusion and the misunderstanding in the NDC and their promises. So videos are 100% true. Would you hear the promises of this man on that tape? In terms of job, kwanyo obefa so be bia juma ama amamfo anya bi aye. This man in opposition, he was on a campaign platform and he promised heaven on earth for the small country in Ghana. Because according to Papa Ninsem na no kind of honor, every government agency and every government institution piano, they were going to operate 24 hours. And by so doing, they were going to employ the actual numbers, times 3, to make it 3 shift. One fancy or see even the private sector manufacturers, wine goods and services. John Mahama say Obemagana Maimunyina Kania Koba Pia ewo the street in the night because Opesewo mad the night economy nuntuminyina ne nice. Or say he was going to employ more police. Banking sector, the finance sector, or say Omunko Yejuma 24 hours a day. It we no na nkrofo we kan ya ema amamfo no G2 mu koto aba. But na me no kase. Enra budget we ya ofene day ato forcing eko kan ye. Could you believe say ato forcing did not talk about none of their promises or more promises in opposition? And me normally I know saying this for more commentators or more good in saying. So I don't normally listen to the budget. But then me adaje trans me tie won. And when even you look at the posture of the NDC MPs in Parliament, which means say they understand said the budget was only English grammar. Teasing grammar be a yashada trade say yedi huru MPP so war opposition because there was nothing new. The promises that were made and I'm so a man for the general so to aba at the ma by no. Ato force rankasa mfa so wankasa mfa ho. Ato force nas at now ne budget odi ba ye wanka nkyere yen. The agriculture sector, the rate at the develop economy, one kasam fahu in the budget statement. Education sector, advance ebem one kasam fahu investment or more one kasam fahu. The only thing we heard in the say, Nana do danko Akufo-Addo ana otumi gigi go ɔman no mu toɔ ɛde bi hwɛ yɛ mma ma ɔmo school free no ɛnɛ NDC for so ɔmo kɔgye posia afiri baabi de abɛhwɛ amanfoɔ school. Atto-Forson was not able to stand apart from say ɔmo your debt to GDP, your public debt, Gabu abedem. That is all. What was it about? Some Atto-Forson bekaye. Apart from say the gold board, the tosika, the stabilize dollar no. Apart from that sense, as in titro be no Atto-Forson beka Ghana for enra. All the rest of the 1 hour reading, I know you know. I was just ye teasing of the NDC opposition. Because they are saying, say, omo ye tax ye free ho, dollar boa bafom. The economy on the books looks good. This is the policy. And now, as a government, out the opposition, your promises was about initiatives, policies, changing the state of the people. And now the whole day, Atto-Forson presentation of the budget, no, when to me and concept, ya project where the Akwa say. And Atto-Forson, assemble a kasa far home. Yes, the big push. The big push, you know. And here say, job for the boys. Share money, let's share money among us. And now, Atto-Forson, the Greek minister is crying. Oh, soon, Greek minister in Tumi Nyesika, and financing the project in the agriculture sector. Greek minister, TM, education minister TM said the funding for the education abangwe atwamu mienu the another do with education mono and this are buying at the half and they funded the education and Atto-Forson had the college to come in front of the whole Ghana and tell us to say the economy is doing good. In which way? How can the economy be doing good if you are not giving money? You are not giving what your ministers need to perform that can go and touch the souls and the people, the grassroots, the people on the ground. So to me, finance the ordinary citizens. How can you come and tell me say the economy is doing good? And then out say John Mahama can say what you are importing duty. What is also a trebibim? One carry and found. And this budget now, and like a bogus budget. Now you can't want them no. The reading just say. In fact, one of the MPs, according to him, or say even and some now said enough Atto-Forson Fasokasa word by word, you know. Some are even the same as the previous budget or more kind of the same expressions. It's a copy and paste. And all the page now and all can kind edit Ghana. Now, I say more yeah, where Omabo modern to me, I create a kind of young kind of say a man for distraction. I'm a name be cause or my no more now. People don't know. Do you know that Ghana, our debt, our public debt, and I can put to 720 billion Ghana cedis. Tell me your public debt, and your public debt, no. I brought another before I think it was about 400 and something. Yeah, it was about 400 up to 500 billion. In just 1.5 years, John Mahama has added 220 billion to it. But even the school feeding program, they are not able to sustain it. They have to go and borrow extra money to come and support the education sector. Sabri where you say omachi wun to me o, yachi wun to me o no. All these things, it is just to say omade be ebe dan yani afri niema we binomoso. They are just distracting us from the real problems. Show so niema ekoswa ento assume. Say aban obaye yo. Ye hu ade titire bi a waye. Ye ho anu nso akosesa nkokɔ masa odi wuche omo. So from nkokɔ marketing project. Ye ho anu nso akosesa pad a wuche ma school for nkwada. Ye ho a ye se ba bedi Independence Day. Independence Day anka ye de kɔ ba bi fufuro na economy ewo kronuma pagya ne ho ye ba ya papa iso kodini wo Jubilee House. You are not spending, you are not giving nothing. Sika obeyi bia ya fia bi, but still our debt is always rising, assuming there is nothing. Assuming I said ye risika and edida. Unbelievable. I say ye should have said sika we na na jo de me answer beda yada. Na yento asuna yenko yanim. Atufo simba